Hi guys, replace your Dyson floor nozzle with the dripple mopping attachment. Fill up the water tank with water and detergent and place the water tank on the attachment. For an optimal result, moisten the mopping pads before using. To clean the floor intensively, water drips out continuously during the wiping process. To avoid that water gets into your Dyson vacuum, the water drops every 4 to 6 seconds. So to help you with your decision, we have listed top 10 mop attachment for Dyson and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 10, Turbo Electric Motorized Brush for Dyson. This electric mop attachment is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $29. Quality brush, the roller is made with high-density bristles and nylon filaments, which can clean dirt without damaging the parquet or ceramic floor. Practical design allows you to quickly install and remove the brush, can be easily cleaned. Brand name, Sikuso. Comfortable, the front of the brush is equipped with 4 independent LED lights, which illuminate the lower surface during cleaning, especially in dimly lit spaces such as under the table, under the sofa, and in other places. The next is Number 9, Floor Brush Head for Dyson V7 V8 V10 V11 Vacuum Cleaner. This electric mop attachment is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $26. Owning a Dyson vacuum cleaner ensures exceptional cleaning performance, and with the right attachments, you can take your cleaning experience to the next level. We introduced the Soft Sweeper Roller Floor Brush Head Replacement, specifically designed for Dyson V7, V8, V10, and V11 models. Brand name, Sikuso. The Soft Sweeper Roller Floor Brush Head Replacement is engineered to tackle different floor types with ease. Its soft yet durable bristles gently glide across hardwood, tiles, and laminate, ensuring your floors remain scratch-free while effectively capturing dust and debris. The next is Number 8, Dyson V10 Dustbin Original Accessories. This electric mop attachment is here with the 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $22. The Dyson V10 is renowned for its powerful cleaning capabilities, making it a top choice for efficient home maintenance. To ensure your V10 vacuum cleaner operates at its peak performance, we introduce a range of original accessories designed specifically for this model. Model number, Dyson V10 Dustbin Original. The Cyclone Dust Collector is an essential accessory for your Dyson V10 vacuum. Designed to separate dust and debris from the airflow, this innovative attachment ensures consistent suction power during every cleaning session. As a result, you can effectively capture dirt, pet hair, and particles of all sizes, leaving your floors spotless and allergen-free. The next is Number 7, Electric Mop Attachment for V7 V8 V10 V11 V15 Vacuum Cleaner. This electric mop attachment is here with the 42% price off. Now you can get it at around $41. The electric mop attachment effortlessly transforms your Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11, or V15 vacuum cleaner into a powerful mopping machine. Designed to tackle various floor types, including hardwood, tile, and laminate, this attachment ensures thorough and streak-free cleaning results. Brand name, FGHGF. Enhancing the convenience factor, this electric mop attachment comes with a removable water tank. Simply fill it with your preferred cleaning solution, and the attachment will dispense the right amount of moisture for effective mopping. The detachable tank allows for easy refilling and cleaning, ensuring hygienic and mess-free floor maintenance. The next is Number 6, Electric Floor Mops Head for Dyson. This electric mop attachment is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $11. Keeping your floors spotless and well-maintained is essential for a clean and healthy living space. With the advanced technology of Dyson vacuums, you can achieve outstanding cleaning results. To further enhance your floor cleaning routine, Model number, 4 Dyson V7 V8 V10 V11. The electric mop head attachments have been meticulously crafted to complement Dyson V10, V7, V8, and V11 vacuum cleaners, delivering exceptional floor cleaning performance. Equipped with state-of-the-art features, these attachments are highly effective on a variety of surfaces, including hardwood, tile, and laminate. The next is Number 5. Electric Floor Head for Dyson V6 Animal. This electric mop attachment is here with the 36% price off. Now you can get it at around $43. Adaptation model of the dual rotating mop head is an essential accessory for Dyson vacuum cleaners V6 Animal, V6 Fluffy, DC58, DC59, DC61, DC62, DC74, allowing you to vacuum and mop at the same time. 3. Multifunctional, spinning at a dizzying 150 RPM, the scrubbing mop head can easily cut through the dirt on wooden floors. Model number, Electric Floor Head for Dyson V6A Vinyl and Tile Smooth Floors. You can use it for vacuuming, mopping, polishing, and waxing for efficient cleaning. With the help of high-power dual spindle motors, its cleaning efficiency of up to 8 to 12 cubic meters per minute is incredible, save you time and manpower. The next is Number 4, for Electric Brush Head Suction Head Roller. This electric mop attachment is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $25. Efficient cleaning is essential for maintaining a pristine living environment, and owning a Dyson handheld vacuum cleaner ensures you get the job done effortlessly. To enhance the capabilities of your Dyson V7, V8, V10, or V11 model, we introduced the innovative electric brush head roller. Model number, Dyson V7, V8, V10, V11 V7 LED. The electric brush head roller is specifically designed to optimize your Dyson V7, V8, V10, or V11 handheld vacuum cleaner's performance. Its powerful motor and well-crafted bristles work in perfect harmony, effectively dislodging dust, dirt, and debris from various surfaces. Whether it's carpets, hardwood floors, the next is Number 3, for Dyson's V7, V8, V10, V11 Cordless Vacuum. This electric mop attachment is here with the 25% price off. Now you can get it at around $75. Before placing an order, be sure to confirm that your device models the relevant fit model mentioned on this product page. You can check the specific product model number on the nameplate at the bottom of your device. Many sweepers have extremely similar names. Model number, for Dyson's V7, V8, V10, V11. If you have not received your shipment within the period, please contact us. We will track the shipment and get back to you as soon as possible with a reply. Our goal is customer satisfaction. Please give us the opportunity to resolve any problem. We understand the unhappiness you might have if the order go wrong, but we will try our best to give you the satisfying results. The next is Number 2, for Dyson V10 V11 Floor Mop Head Accessories. This electric mop attachment is here with the 47% price off. Now you can get it at around $27. Keeping your living space clean and fresh is a top priority, and owning a Dyson vacuum cleaner is a wise investment. With their powerful suction and innovative technology, Dyson vacuums are renowned for their exceptional cleaning performance. Model number, Dyson V11 V10, say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime on hard floors with our floor mop head accessories. Compatible with Dyson V10 and V11 models, these attachments are designed to effortlessly glide across your floors, leaving them sparkling clean. The microfiber mop pads are highly absorbent and washable. The next is Number 1, for Dyson V11 V10 Accessories V8 Electric. This electric mop attachment is here with the 48% price off. Now you can get it at around $35. Before placing an order, be sure to confirm that your device model is the relevant compatible model mentioned on this product page. You can check the specific product model on the nameplate at the bottom of your device. Many sweepers have very similar names, so you need to check the specific model. Model number, Dyson V7, V8, V10, V15. 1. These are not genuine original products from Xiaomi or Roborock iLife Dyson iRobot 360 Ecovacs Conga. We are selling brand new compatible replacement types. 2. The package includes all the kits shown in the picture, which option you have selected above. 3. If the package is lost or damaged in transit, we will refund to you. You should contact us as soon as possible. 4. Please contact us before leaving any negative feedback or raising any disputes on Aliexpress. We will help you solve the problem, so this is the best option for you to buy.